Damn, I thought everybody got out. Flying Low got dual pipes now. He said he got that big let me get from behind him. Kill me. Look at it. Golly, y'all.
Okay, what you need?
Oh, he's spinning. You better stop. Please stop. I just seen the video down, so you gonna like that video. I'm gonna go live and put it up, and I was shouting you out probably about 5 times.
Today?
Now on the drone video.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna put it up because it didn't go live. See, I got everything on the phone. It's gonna be still good. I'm gonna see. Uh-oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. All right, there it goes. There it comes. Oh. Thought he was gonna do it. Oh yeah, dude, this thing, he built this car pretty cheap, man. But it's a beast. Because him and his buddy put it together and bought the suspension parts from Strange. You gotta hook up on him.